How to set up multiple profiles in Chrome on PC on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to create and manage separate profiles in Chrome quickly and easily. First, open the Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on your profile picture at the top right of the screen. Let me show you. From there, click on Add Chrome Profiles at the bottom of the Profile drop-down menu. At this point, a new window will open, asking you to set up a new Chrome profile. In the next step, click on Sign In to link the new profile to a Google account. Enter your email and password to log in. From there, if you don't want to link a Google account, click on Continue without an account to create a local profile instead. Once done, each profile has its own separate bookmarks, history, passwords, and extensions, so everything stays organized and private. From here, to switch between profiles, click on your profile picture at the top right of any Chrome window. Let me show you. All your profiles will be listed there. At this stage, click on the profile you want to switch to, and a new Chrome window will open with that profile active. And that's it. If this guide helped you set up multiple profiles in Chrome on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.